Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. We'll discuss about soybeans as herbicide-resistant plant. This discussion present by me, Johannes K.S. Matanarin, Isanul Ikhwan Ritonga, Kiki Sulastri Amelia, and Ikhlas Sulamal. Okay, the next slide. Agak-agak gini gua ada kegiatan seperti kayaknya tidak ada. Transgenic plants. Genetic engineering is a new technology in the field of biology. One of the genetic engineering products currently known is transgenic plants. This plant is produced by introducing certain genes into the plant body in order to obtain the desired properties. The types of transgenic plants that are known include pest resistant, herbicide tolerant, antibiotic resistant, plants with better nutritional quality and with higher productivity. Transgenic is an organism that contains transgene through a biotechnological process. Transgen is a foreign gene added to species, a body that has new characteristic which was not previously owned by the type of body. As a result of adding genes from other bodies, also called transgenic organism. Okay, next. Transgenic plants are plants that have insert foreign genes from different plant species or other living things. The incorporation of foreign genes aims to obtain plants with desired traits. For example, making plants that are resistant to high temperatures, low temperatures, drought resistant to plant disturb drought, as well as higher quantity and quality of natural plants. The nature of plants is carried out to address the increasing food needs of the world population and also the problem of human malnutrition, so that manufacture of transgenic plants is also part of plant cultivation.
Okay, transgenic plant making. To make a transgenic plant, first, the inactification or search for genes that will produce certain traits. This trait is carried out. The desired genes can be taken from other plants, animal, fungi, or bacteria. After the desired gene is obtained, gene is called gene cloning. At the stage of gene cloning, foreign DNA will be inserted into the cloning factor or DNA carrier again. For example, plasmid DNA used for gene transfer, then the cloning factor will be inserted into the bacteria so that the DNA can be reproduced along with the proliferation of this bacteria. If the desired gene has been reproduced in sufficient quantities, transfer of the foreign gene will be carried out into plants that come from certain parts, one of which is the leaf part. This gene transfer can be done by several methods, namely the gene sweeping method, the DNA transformation method mediated by the Agrobacterium to mummification bacteria, and electroporation, or the method of transferring DNA with the help of electricity. Or next, the transformation method mediated by agrobacterium tumefaction. Agrobacterium tumefaction, bacteria can naturally infect plants because they have plasmid, a vector DNA carrier to insert foreign genes. Inside the plasmid, there are genes that include virulence properties to case-contain plant desert. Foreign genes that want to be inserted into the plants can be inserted in the plasmid. Furthermore, tumorification can transfer the genes on the plasmid into the plant genome or DNA. After the foreign DNA combines with the plant's DNA, the desired property can be expressed by plants. Next.
Advantage of transgenic crop. A. Improved grain quality. B. Establishment of plant resistant to pests, disease, and herbicide. C. Inhibited the softening of fruit. D. Increase the nutritional value of plants. E. Resistant to insecticide, herbicide, and virus. Example of transgenic crop, herbicide-resistant soybean plants. Method for engineering plant resistance to herbicide can be divided to a group of approaches, namely, first, changing the sensitivity level of enzymes which are the target for herbicide in plant, namely by utilizing mutagens that are simultaneously in nature and introduce this gen into chloroplast genome. Second, introducing enzyme coding the genes that can natural the toxic properties of herbicide in plants such as oxidase, amylase, and decarbolase enzyme. Currently, two types of transgenic soybean have been commercialized global, named herbicide tolerant soybean and soybean with high fatty acid content. When sprayed with this herbicide, only the weed around the soybean will die. To obtain herbicide-resistant soybeans, it is done by inserting herbicide-resistant genes for the Agrobacterium CP4 strain transformation technique, where the DNA of bacteria resistant to herbicide is cut and then connected with cell DNA for soybean plant and then injected into soybean plants. Next.
Next, systematic application of agrobacterium gen transformation in soybean plants. Soybean have a modified property. They contain high oleic acid and are resistant to the herbicide glyphosate. When sprayed with the herbicide, only the weeds around the soybeans will die. Then it was modified into an herbicide-resistant gen from the bacterium agrobacterium strain and produced into soybeans, and also used molecular technology to bacterium agrobacterium strain soybeans, and also used molecular technology to increase the formation of oleic acid. Next. Potential ecological benefit of the transgenic crop. 1. Reducing the environmental impact of the pesticides. Herbicides and pesticides have potential hazard to environmental pollution, while GMO crops produce the use of environmentally harmful chemicals to control weeds in the past. 2. Increased yield. If crop yields increase, less cultivate or is need to produce the amount of food needed by humans. 3. Soil conservation. Herbicide-tolerant crops allow farmers to abound pre-grown herbicide use. This shift to post-grown weed control can improve entillable tillage and soil conservation practices, reduce soil erosion, reduce water loss, and increase soil organic matter. Next. The last conclusion. Transgenic is an organism that contains transgen through a biotechnological process or not a plant branding process. Transgen is a foreign gene added to a species. In simple terms, transgenic plants are made by taking certain good genes in other living things to be inserted into plants. Inserting the gens through effector or intermediary, which usually use Agrobacterium tumefaciens for dicot plants or gen partidis for monocote plants that inoculate on the target plant to produce in the desired crop.
Okay, thanks for all of my friends that listen to our group. We say thanks for all of you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.